This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, begging for mercy. Oh. I'm dangerous. I'm dangerous. So dangerous.
Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin, pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan.
Na-excite ako kung paano mangyayari lahat. Mostly kasi, di ba, usually, ang kapag nagpa-plan ng wedding, si bride. Pero this time, si groom lahat. Ako lang, taga-approve lang ako. Siya ang director nitong kasal na to.
Parang ako yun lang. Interesting talaga ako din sa ano ko eh.
Doon muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Yes, for you, girl. Yeah. Sana happy ka.
Di magulo, pag-ibig ang
Bibig may gawa niyo,
nagpapatakbo.
sis.
Thank you.
Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Doon tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Hey!
Thank you. Thank you.
Pinag-pray ko naman talaga din siya. Siya? Nadulas? Pinag-pray ko yung bigay ni Lord yung tulad niya.
Through the lows of life, talagang nakita ko na suportahan niya ako at na-realize ko na talagang siya talaga yung magiging life partner ko.
Doon na muna tayo sa sarili nating mundo.
Parang sa ilong lumalabas. Hindi nga ni.
Kung hindi magulo, pag-ibig ang nagpapatakbo.
Ano kulay tayo mo?
Tayo ay lilipad, lahat
Ito na. Kakasal na. My gosh. Though, sabi naman nila, parang wala naman na magbabago pag kinasal na tayo kasi meron na tayong airing. Pero for me, pinag-pray natin to. Tsaka, very important to, di ba? Kasi isa natin yung will talaga nito. See you later. Huwag kang umiyak ha. Ako.
Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad. Tayo ay lilipad, lahat matutupad.
Hello, B. Konting-konti na lang. Ito na. Makabog na dibdib ko, kinakabahan ako. Nanginginig na yung boses ko. So, excited ako makita ka. Tagal natin din nagkita. Half day. See you later. Yari ka. Joke lang.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
I still remember our college days so clearly na kapag sinabing Renz, ikaw yung campus bad boy.
Well, we've met nung college and we are never romantically related.
In fact, kung audience ako ng love story natin, ang weird na iling tayo. Notorious akong bulakbol, kopyador, pasaway at babaero. Kaya di talaga tayo magkasundo.
You were everything I'd promised I'd stay away from. Lagi tayong nagbabanggaan kahit na magbukas ka pa lang ng bibig, alam mong iritado na ako sa'yo.
But yung Lord may ibang plano. Our set of friends connected and so are we.
Then, there was that one moment. I heard you playing Ikaw at Ako. I'm not sure kung tanda mo pa sa UCC. Hindi mo alam pero doon nagsimulang mag-iba ang lahat. That was the first time I truly saw you at doon ko na-realize na sa likod ng microboy image mo, may isang pusong tahimik, totoo, at unti-unting magiging sagot sa mga dasal ko.
Actually, believe na believe ako sa'yo nun to the point na bukang bibig na kita. Even sa family ko. Until na-realize ko na ikaw na yung gusto ko na makasama abang buhay ko.
Nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
I've always been strong, independent. Sanay akong lumaban mag-isa. Akala ko hindi ko kailangan ng pahinga. Hindi ko kailangan ng sasalong. Pero sa'yo, natutunan kong huminto na hindi ko kailangan maging matapang palagi. You made me feel chosen every day, every single day. Pinakita mo na pwede palang pagsabayan ang lakas at ang lambing.
In those almost 8 years na kasama kita, we've been through highs and lows. Saksi yung langit kung paano tayo umiyak, tumawa. Nakita ko kung paano tayo nag-adjust sa bawat seasons natin.
Hindi man si TJ ang kumakanta para sa atin ngayon, I realize I don't need a famous singer to make this my dream wedding. Kailangan ko lang yung lalaking tumugtog noon at ginawang totoo ang pangarap ko.
Nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating
You take a gentleman in front of you to be your husband, to love him, to support him, to be loyal to him, forsaking all others, clinging only to him as you shall both live.
I do! Yes!
Salamat talaga sa Diyos kasi napupunan niya yung pagkukulang ko. And I really believe that His powers was made perfect in my weakness. So here I am. I promise to commit my life being faithful to you, being as intentional as I can be, drawing our family closer to God.
From this day forward, I am yours, Benz. Until Christ returns in His fullness and we step hand in hand into the eternity He has prepared for us. I spent so much time avoiding the idea of you, only to realize God's plans were always greater than my fears. He took my first yes and gently turned it into my final one. You are my first boyfriend, my first love, and today, by God's grace, by His grace, you become my last. Ikaw at ako hanggang dulo.
Nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik. Tayo ay babalik. Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
Misha, I will love you with all that I am and with all that I have. Till my last breath. And I am really looking forward for this lifetime with you. Up until we go back and meet our Creator. Mahal na mahal kita.